for me. I'm not the biggest guy. All right, so our tower here. You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Cool.
I'm ready.
Call tower real quick.
Tower, good morning. Viper 01's number 1, 22 right, ready for takeoff.
Viper 01, shot tower, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
Viper 01, line up and wait, 22 right.
All right, I know the selection modes are in aft. You can go in arm.
Viper 01, 22 right, wind 250 at 5, clear for takeoff, change, departure.
Viper 01's clear for takeoff, 22 right, push 4.
Seat is armed.
Copy, my seat's armed up front. Clear for takeoff, 22 right. Army crew's like, what?
That jet's just flying by.
All right.
Number 169 at Papa Sierra, sharp approach, shot altimeter 3025.
Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
I am ready.
Good swings, rolling. There's airspeed and 100 knots. 150. $200. Gears up. There's 300. Say hello.
Departure Viper 01's passing 770 feet for 3,000.
Viper 01, shot departure, right in.
Viper with a flash.
Well, you let me know when it's time. Oh.
I was cutting out. So over there at like 230.
Viper 01, verify 3 miles southwest of shot, southwestbound.
Viper 01, A-firm, leveling off at 3,000.
Viper 01, roger, radar contact, climb and maintain 6,000, proceed direct R6002, say altitude requesting.
Viper request surface to 18,000 and left direct R6002, 6,000 feet.
That's Columbia.
Viper 01, roger, hold within R6002, stand by for RCO.
Viper 01.
Over there at 9 o'clock now, that's the city of Columbia.
Viper 01, when able, not receiving your transponder. Reset transponder, squawk 5573.
Viper's recycling.
Shock morning, Mace 1-1, 1,000 climbing, 4,000 right, 160.
Mace 1-1, the shot departure verify, 3 miles southeast of McIntyre, southeastbound.
Mace 1-1, A-firm.
Down here at the left, 10 o'clock.
Mace 1-1, radar contact, climb and maintain climb and maintain 6,000.
So roll it up here just a little bit.
Okay.
So you see the circle there?
1 traffic.
The circle. Yes, I see the circle.
Yep, the 4 straight frags.
Yep.
Bound to DV20, VFR 7,500.
Just let me know when I need the G-lock. Oh,
No, it's not G-lock, but yeah, I'll let you.
Viper 01, contact RCO.
Viper switching.
Mountain Air 8,500, contact Myrtle Beach approach 127.4.
Points at Viper 01.
Viper 01, point set, go ahead.
Yeah, Viper's established, be dry, looking for surface to 18,000.
Viper 01, you have surface to flight level 180 on the range, altimeter locally 3025.
Viper 3025, surface 18.
All right, Reg, we're all set up here. So I'd say let's get this party started.
all right.
Feeling good?
Still feeling good.
All right, cool. I'll let you know here in just a second, and the pain train will be departing the station. All right, rolling in for over the crowd pass here. All right, just match my breathing.
Altitude.
I can barely hear your breathing.
Can you? Well, I'm not breathing yet.
Okay.
You ready?
Let me lock it up. I am ready.
Here comes some G's. On top. Good G in for the Cuban.
Altitude. Altitude.
How's the radar bus just went? No big deal. You feeling good?
Woo! That was intense. Let's go.
All right. And when those G's let off, you can kind of just do your normal breathing now, catch up. We'll hang in the straps here for a second.
Warning.
This is awesome.
And then finish the Cuban here.
Altitude. Altitude.
Triple.
Caution.
Spinner looking down at 2 o'clock there, so the range complex.
Altitude. Altitude.
Just maintain 4 G's around here. Get a little airspeed back. Catch your breath for a second. Feeling good?
This is a workout.
All right, we're going to do a triple roll. You ready?
Yep, I am.
All right. Min radius.
Altitude.
All right.
Altitude.
Still feeling good?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. I need to catch a little air.
All right, I'll drive here for a second.
Let's do it.
All right. Let's do a min radius. Here we go. Hang upside down for a second, why not? All right, 4 point. Feeling good?
Still feeling good.
Altitude. Altitude.
I think I got some dirt in my eye.
All right. 4 point. Gonna wave at the crowd.
Altitude. Altitude.
All right, on top. Slick shot. Engaged. Goes the Falcon turn.
Altitude.
I need to blow my
Altitude.
You do?
All
All right, copy. I'm driving straight ahead. Let me know when you're good.
Give me one more second.
What's that?
I just popped them. I
You
just
get-
gotta put my mask back on.
Okay.
Mask back on, ready to
Here we go.
knock it out.
Altitude. Altitude.
All right. Tell you what, we'll slow it down here for a second. How's that sound?
Oh, that sounds great.
Yeah, just take in the sights and sounds and just slow it down.
This is beautiful. We're really going slow.
Yeah, let's see how fast we're going across the ground. Right now it's saying 99, 97, 96, 95.
Warning, warning.
90.
Warning, warning.
This is kind of what the slow speed's like. Kind of look left and right, not moving very fast. Alright, let's climb on up. Little rocket launch.
I'm upside down.
All right. Little knife edge. Ready?
Altitude. Altitude.
Now I think it's time to pull some G's. Set up for a dedication pass.
Okay.
How you feeling?
Yep. Let's rock it.
All right, all aboard.
Altitude. Altitude.
9-7.
Okay. I was almost there.
Nice job. All right, let's drop it down low.
Altitude. Altitude.
All right. Ready to knock out a little max climb?
Yeah, let's do that.
Warning, warning. Warning, warning.
All right. Still feeling good?
Yep.
Altitude. Altitude.
I don't want to pop my ears. Feeling good?
Can I pop mine too?
Yep, go for it.
Uh,
You good?
up
Alright. Go by the tower here.
Altitude.
Just like Top Gun.
Altitude. 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 Altitude.
How you feeling?
I feel amazing.
You want to do a little flying? You good?
Yep.
All right, you want to do a high angle strafe, or is there anything else you want to do?
A 4-point turn? I would like to try the 16-point.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I would love to.
Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm going to get us turned around here, kind of give you as much space as I can.
Okay.
I'll set your power, so the only thing you need to worry about is the stick, all right?
Okay.
So we'll get us turned, pointed back this way. Lots of space in front of us. All right. Are you ready to fly?
I am ready.
All right, we'll roll you out. You have the aircraft, so I got the throttle, you got the stick.
Okay.
And just a slight pull up and then roll to the left.
Slight pull up and roll to the left?
Yep. And do your 4-point. There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Now pull straight up. Pull back on the stick. Pull back straight. There you go with some authority.
Okay.
There you go. Break it off. Roll left.
Roll left.
And pull back on the stick. There you go. Yeah. Pull, 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 pull. Well, I got it. I have the aircraft.
Okay.
Altitude. Altitude.
All right.
Okay.
You want to try another one?
Yep.
All right. You have the aircraft.
Okay.
So just kind of like, you see my hand?
Uh-huh.
You just kind of bump it, you know, in 90-degree increments.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, and bump. And bump. And bump. And bump. I'm sorry. Your
That's good.
aircraft.
All right, I have the aircraft. All right, what else do you want to do?
I don't. What's the high angle strafe right now? I'll try that.
All right, let's try that. So you make a big circle out there.
Looking for the circle.
It'll be back. You're like 7 o'clock. All right. So close air support. We'll be talking to the guys on the ground. So they call on that target there. So we would need to strafe it. Get everything set up here for a second. Load some bullets up. Why not? Let me do it. Air to ground. There we go. All right, so we'd be in a wheel, sitting here like 8,000 feet. Do you see the HUD?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you see that big circle with the line going straight up?
Yes, sir.
That's my strafe pipper.
Uh-huh.
Let's put my range in here. 500, enter. So don't put that little center dot on that thing down there and strafe it.
So do I pull back on the stick?
I'll do it. So just kind of watch this. So as we roll in here, I'm going to put, as you're looking at the HUD, you'll see that center dot
Yep.
right there on the circle.
Yep. Ooh.
And pulling the trigger,
Altitude.
simulating that. And then
Altitude.
we're going to recover now.
This is fun.
It's an all right job. Someone's got to do it, I suppose.
Yeah, you might as well do it.
Yeah. I say let's, we got enough gas to
Altitude.
make another low pass if you like.
That would be lovely.
Let's do it. Because who don't like flying low?
Bingo. Bingo.
Let's do 1,500 pounds. You want another max climb, or you just want?
I got enough time to pump my ears first.
What's that?
I got enough time to pump my ears first.
Your mic just went out, or got real quiet.
I got enough time. I'm ready.
All right, we're gonna zip around low, so you just enjoy. It'll be a second before I put some G
Okay.
on it. I lied. Here comes some G. Off the G, and still sit down low.
And points at Viper will be done at about 3 mic, and I'll be looking to RTV direct shelf.
Viper, copy. 3,000 low level or high key?
3,000 low level. I like to do it to downwind the left.
Copy. What runway's in use?
22.
This looks amazing.
It's a perfect day for flying.
Yes, it is. It is a beautiful, beautiful day. Did we pass Little Jack yet?
We did. We did. All right, we'll start working us to get back home.
Copy that. Thanks for the ride.
Absolutely.
And points at Viper is switching. Start talking to approach. I'll see you here in about 2.5 hours.
Copy that. I was in the process of coordinating direct the tower for an outside downwind, but if you're already talking to Shaw approach, are you departing the range?
If you're going to go in, I'll hang with you for another 30
Altitude.
seconds. I got the gas.
Altitude.
Copy that. Viper 01, you can street direct an outside downwind, contact tower channel 3. Thanks for the work. Have a good flight.
Sir, I appreciate it. See you in a little bit. Tower Viper's with you, 7.7 and point set, heading to downwind, runway 22.
Viper 01, report left base runway 22 right.
Viper, left base 22 right.
Obviously, that's Shaw up there at the 2 o'clock position.
Copy that.
We got enough gas to pull close if you'd like to do one low approach to a full stop.
Yeah, that'll be great.
All right, cool. A lot less violent.
Yeah. But it was beautiful. It was fun.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm glad we make it happen.
Amazing, amazing time.
Every now and then, Reg. You know, every now and then. All right, down 3 green.
It looks a whole lot different from up here.
Yeah, it's a slightly different view.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool to put a different perspective on it for sure. And it is a clear day, too.
Yes, it is. I bet no smokes is happening over there. I
Yeah.
hope they're burning.
That's a big fire, too.
Yeah.
Viper 01's left base gear, low approach, 22 left.
Viper 01, runway 22 left, wind 2503, clear low approach, say attention on the go.
Viper, low approach, option, it'll be a full stop.
A lot of words.
Viper 01, right, close approved, 22 right.
Viper, right for the right, thanks.
They look like so small.
There's tiny little things out there. Oh, hang on. Stick. There you go. Go.
I'm sorry. This is amazing. I worked there.
Hey, how about that? Everything is a little bit smaller from this for this height. All right, down 3 green.
Viper 01's right base gear stop, 22 right.
Viper 01, runway 22 right, wind 2503, clear to land.
Viper 01, clear land, 22 right.
So do those call like stop and goes?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm basically communicating like a low approach is, obviously I'm not doing a touch and go in the F-16,
Okay.
but that's what most people will be doing. And then I'm saying right base is on my position. This is we're in the right base right now.
Okay.
And then gear, my gear is down. Stop is I'm landing.
Okay.
Viper 01 appears negative light.
Viper.
Good light.
Viper.
Down 3 green, 22 right. Oh, warm.
Yes, it is. The sun is beaming.
Bingo. Bingo.
Oh, little birds. Make sure the brakes work. Cool. ECS in this jet sucks. It was like full hot yesterday during the whole demo.
He's not coming for us, is he?
Who's that?
That fire truck.
No, I think they're doing their morning checks.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm gonna safe my seat. You can do the same.
Okay.
My seat's safe up front.
Seat is safe in the back.
Awesome.
I'm gonna give you a hug when we get out.
Fair enough. Well, Reg, this season would not have been as successful without you, especially like Columbia. You were the dude on the ground who was dealing with all of our shit while we were gone, making that happen. So I'm glad we could do something like this.
I really appreciate it. I just thanks for being on the team this year.
Yeah.
It was a better highlight of my year here because 16-14 sucked.
Fair enough. I'm glad we could do it.
Thanks. I am glad too. And then I can say I flew a demo profile somewhat, you know.
Dude, you pulled 9.7, and if you go around and ask how many Viper pilots have pulled 9.7, there's not many. So, you got that. We pulled 9Gs several times today. I don't know if you felt that or not.
I felt it. I couldn't see it, but I felt it. I was trying to focus on the MFTs, but I couldn't.
Wave to Sean over there. Yeah, it's kind of tough to it's not really practical to be looking down there. I'm looking straight ahead, you know.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna pop the handle here, so that depressurize. That worked out perfect.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. That definitely is a pain train.
Reg, you're gonna be really disappointed.
Why you say that?
Well, you definitely earned a static wick, but I think I ripped the whole mount off.
Yeah, that's all good. Do you want me to go ahead and turn off the GoPro?
Yeah, you can turn it off.